Talking about proteins, especially Indian vegetarian proteins, I think chana, the Bengal gram chana or the brown chana, as we all know, tops the list. Why? Because we've always known our childhood days. I remember still to have chana with peanuts that comes in a paper packing like a puri, and yes, of course, the bale. So remember eating the roasted Bengal brown chana along with peanuts and kurmara, that's puffed rice, or the chana chaat, which is there at every nook and corner, made with, say, lime or your date tamarind chutney, topped with pomegranate, coriander, mint, and some chatpata save. I think this chana chaat can never be forgotten. But today, as nutritionist, I must bring to your understanding that chana is a storehouse of nutrition. Why? Because every 100 grams, supposing I say this katori of chana, you take raw and you soak it and you strain the water and you boil it. If you have a gas issue, strain and discard that water of boiling and you boil with pepper and ginger and some salt. Then take this boiled brown chana, yeah, and this brown chana 100 grams gives you a good 19 grams of protein. It gives you a good amount of fiber. Almost 50% of your fiber for the day you can take from your soaked brown chana with the skin. Folic acid almost 50%. So folic acid B9, as I have been talking about for the last 10 days, that bring in the color in your red blood cells. Your hemoglobin needs more folic acid, more iron, more protein. So chana becomes the best food to bring in the protein, the iron, and the folic acid. Needed. What's needed from us? Soaking, boiling, soaking, sprouting. When you sprout, you will get extra B complex vitamin C. So I suggest that bringing in chana in any part of your meal. Say if it's your breakfast, it can just be a chana chaat or a boiled chana cutlet. You can make it like a hummus dip with your sandwiches. Any which ways, stuff it into your paratha. It can become your chana masala with your rice or your paratha. You can have your chana as your mid-evening chat with your tea and coffee. So bring in the Indian chana and enjoy the taste, the flavor, best built on your nutrition, because our foods are best suited for our gut. So bring in the chana for the protein, the fiber, the minerals and the vitamins, and stay healthy.